Hi Year 1, thank you for joining me. It's the first maths meeting of the week. Make sure that you've got something to write with and something to write on because we're going to be working on the maths problems together as we go along. If you don't have these things, please go and get them and then come back and join me. Okay, the first thing we're looking at is days of the week, and we have got our days of the week song, which we know really well because we sing it in class all the time. So make sure you're singing along with me. Days of the week, 7 days. Days of the week, 7 days. There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's Saturday. And then there's Sunday too. Days of the week, 7 days. Days of the week, 7 days. Great singing. Pause the video now and I want you to sing the song again to yourself. Okay, we can use the song to help us work out these questions. So the first question says, what comes after Tuesday? So what day comes after Tuesday? Pause the video. Write down your answer, what day you think it is. Brilliant. It's Wednesday. It goes Tuesday and then Wednesday. Question 2 says, what comes before Friday? So that means a day that comes before Friday, not after. Think of the song to yourself so you can remind yourself what day it could be. Fantastic, it's Thursday. It goes Thursday and then Friday. And the last question, what comes in between Wednesday and Friday? Think of the day that's in between those 2 days. Brilliant, it's Thursday. It goes Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. Great work. I want you to pause the video and I want you to say the days of the week to yourself again to remind yourself of what order they come in. Okay, brilliant. So now we've got our number bonds to 10 rap. I want you to say the rap along with me. 9 and 1, we've just begun. 8 and 2, I need the loo. 7 and 3, climb the tree. 6 and 4, tap the floor. 5 and 5, we stay alive. 10 and 0, number bond hero. Great work. Say the rap to yourself and to whoever's in the house with you. Brilliant. Now we're on to Bo's bonds, and Bo has got his part-whole model here. We know that the whole is 11, and we know that one of the parts is 9, but we are missing the other parts. I wonder if you can work out what the missing part is. Pause the video and write down what the missing part is. Well done, it's 2. We know that the part is 9, the other part is 2, and the whole is 11. I wonder if you can work out what the subtraction number sentence is for this part-whole model. Great, it would be 11 subtract 9 equals 2. I wonder if now you can work out what the addition number sentence is for this part-whole model. Write it down on your paper. Great work, it's 9 add 2 equals 11. So now we know that 11 subtract 9 equals 2. 9 add 2 equals 11. Say those sentences to yourself. And I also want you to have a look at the part-whole model. Remember, we've got one of our parts is 2, one of our parts is 9, and the whole is 11. Pause the video and say those to yourself. Now we can use Bo's bonds to help us know what Noah knows. You can see in the corner I've got a part-whole model, but this time it looks a bit different. One of my parts is 9 again, but the other part is 12, and the whole is 21. If I know that 9 add 2 equals 11, then I know that 9 add 12 equals 21, because we're adding another 10 on. We can use this part-whole model to work out the answers to our number sentences here. The first one says 9 add something equals 21. What could that missing number be? Pause the video and see if you can work it out. Great, it's 12. Say to yourself, 9 add 12 equals 21. Now we're on to the next one. 12 plus something equals 21. I wonder what that answer could be. Write down your answer on your piece of paper. Well done, it's 9. 12 add 9 equals 21. The next one is 21 subtract 12 equals something. We need to work out what the answer is. Write down the number sentence and the answer on your piece of paper. Great work, it's 9 again. 21 subtract 12 equals 9. And the last one, something subtract 9 equals 12. Remember, you can use the PartsWhole model to help you work out the answer. Great work, it's 21. 21 subtract 9 equals 12. Have a look over the answers and the number sentences. Read through them. Now we are on to Shia's shapes, and Shia has got lots of 2D shapes here. Have a look over them so that you can remember what they look like and remember their names. Okay, so I am thinking of a 4-sided shape. 2 of its edges are long and 2 of its edges are short. What shape am I thinking of? Pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. Have a look at the shapes again to remind yourself of them and check your answer, make sure it's correct. Well done, it's rectangle. You can see that a rectangle has got 4 sides, 2 of the edges are long and 2 of them are short. Now we have a question. What is the weather like today? Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy or stormy? Have a look outside your window and see what do you think is the weather like today? For me, the weather today is pretty cloudy. I wonder what the weather is like for you. We can check again tomorrow. Hopefully it will be sunny. Now we are on to Patty's place value. So Patty wants us to put the numbers in descending order. That means they're going to be getting smaller. So we're going to start with the biggest number first, and then we're going to be getting smaller. The last number is going to be the smallest number that we have there. So the numbers that we have are 17, 26, 15 and 23. I wonder which is the biggest number. Remember that you're looking for the tens to see which has got the biggest number of tens. Well done, the answer is 26. The reason that 26 is the biggest number is because it's got 2 tens and it has 6 ones. 2 tens are bigger than 1 10, so it's bigger than 17 and it's bigger than 15. And then this number has got 6 ones, so it's going to be bigger than 23, which only has 3 ones. Let's see what the next number is going to be. Pause the video and work out what the next number is going to be. We've got 17, 15 and 23 left. Fantastic, 23. So it goes 26, then 23. Our number's getting smaller. So 23 is next because 3 in the ones column is smaller than the 6 in the ones column for 26. I wonder which number is going to come next. We've got 17 and then 15. We want the next number to be the bigger out of the 2. They both have got 110, so now you need to look in the ones column and see which number is bigger. Brilliant, it's 17. 26, 23, 17. What's the next number going to be and why? Brilliant, the last number is 15. 15 is the smallest number that Patty gave us because it only has 1 10 in the tens column and 5 ones in the ones column. So it's the smallest number out of all the others. Thank you for joining us for the maths meeting. I hope that you got on really well and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for the next maths meeting. Bye for now.